An article review is a critical analysis of a scholarly article or journal publication that allows readers to understand the main points, evaluate the research's validity, and gain insights into the topic. Writing an effective article review requires a structured approach, careful analysis, and a clear expression of your thoughts. This comprehensive guide aims to provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to write an article review, covering essential aspects such as understanding the article, structuring your review, evaluating the content, and offering your informed opinion. By following these guidelines, you can develop a well-organized and insightful article review that adds value to the academic discourse. Before diving into writing your review, it is crucial to thoroughly comprehend the article you are reviewing. Start by reading the article carefully, multiple times if needed, to grasp its main arguments, objectives, and supporting evidence. Identify the author's thesis statement and the central theme or purpose of the research. Take note of the research methods employed, data analysis techniques, and any limitations the author mentioned. Begin your review with a concise summary of the article's key points and findings. Avoid providing excessive details, instead, focus on capturing the main arguments and their supporting evidence. Mention the author's approach to the topic and briefly outline the structure of the article. Aim to provide readers with a clear understanding of what the article is about and what they can expect from your review. Critically analyze the article's strengths and weaknesses. Acknowledge the author's achievements, such as innovative ideas, well-researched evidence, or logical reasoning. Likewise, identify any weaknesses, such as incomplete data, biased viewpoints, or flawed arguments. Offer constructive feedback and be fair in your assessment. Evaluate the article's methodology to determine if it was appropriate for addressing the research question. Consider the reliability and validity of the data collection and analysis methods. Assess whether the sample size was sufficient and whether the research design supports the author's conclusions. If the article uses statistical data, ensure that the statistical methods are sound and accurately interpreted. Relate the article to the broader academic context and its relevance to the field of study. Compare and contrast the author's findings with existing literature, highlighting any similarities or contradictions. Discuss how the article contributes to the current knowledge base and if it fills a gap in the field. Offer your personal critique of the article, backed by evidence from your analysis. Address the author's approach, the effectiveness of their arguments, and the overall impact of the article. Use specific examples to support your evaluation and avoid making baseless judgments. Remember to be objective and provide a balanced perspective, even if you disagree with certain aspects of the article. In your conclusion, summarize your main points, restate your overall opinion of the article, and highlight its significance in the field. Emphasize the strengths and weaknesses you identified and discuss the potential implications of the article's findings. End with a thoughtful remark that encourages further research and debate on the topic. Ensure your review follows a clear structure with well-defined paragraphs. Use appropriate headings and subheadings to guide readers through your analysis. Stick to a formal writing style and cite any direct quotes or paraphrased information properly. Adhere to the specific formatting guidelines required by your academic institution or publication. Writing an article review requires attention to detail, critical thinking, and a fair evaluation of the author's work. By following this comprehensive guide, you can craft an insightful and well-structured review that contributes to the academic discourse and enhances your analytical skills.